Hi guys, in this video I'm going to review the Jetsono Pressure Washer and let you know is it legit or scam in 2025. So first of all, as you know, this is the official website of Jetsono, and this is the product I'm going to review, the Jetsono Pressure Washer. So if we go to the Amazon website and see for it, it's a Jetsono high pressure washer, 2-in-1 high pressure power washer, and the brand is OTP. Power source is manual, water pressure, color one color, item weight is 300 grams, hose length, and the product dimension is also given here. And you can also get to see about this item here. And if we go to the review section from the down below, let's scroll down and see the rating is 5 star like 16% and 4 star like 25%, and 2 star rating given by 15% of the people, and 1 star has the majority, that is 44%. So we can say that majority of the person who purchased it had bad experience with it, like 44% review. So I will suggest you to buy it on your own risk, but make sure to contact them before buying, and you can let be sure if the product is legit. So that's it for this review video, guys. See you on the next one.